Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to install and activate or use the Disney Plus on your PS5, then this video is for you. So here is a step-by-step guide how you can just do it. First, you have to just open your PS5. Then firstly, you need to download and install Disney Plus app onto your gaming console. Secondly, you must sign in to proceed to activate your account. Now here is the installation process, how you can actually install. So on PlayStation 5, find the Disney Plus app via media, then go to all apps. Then locate the Disney Plus app and proceed to install it on your console. After that, you have to activate or log into your Disney Plus account on your PS5. You can find a login or sign up button on the home screen of your Disney Plus. Then you can actually use your login credentials and you will be able to log into your account. Now here how you can actually watch the 4K plus 4K content on Disney Plus on your PS5. So first, if you find this, first you have to open the Disney Plus app on your PS5 and log in. To quickly find the HD and HDR content, head to the 4K Ultra HD HDR collection on the homepage to use the Ultra HDR and HDR filter on the movies and series pages. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.